How to reset Inbox poll. First, click menu, then menu, then up arrow, click number 8, then OK, then 0, then OK, then click menu. We find the polls count. Okay, polls count, okay, then 00, then click number 2, then okay, number 7, then okay, then number 8, then okay, number 3, then okay, then all 00, then click stop exit, then menu, mono, then menu, and number 8, then okay, 0, then okay, then mono. We find plusin. Oopsie. This, then okay. Then click it. And number 2, click 2. Then okay. Then 7. Then okay. Then 8. Then okay. Then 3. Then okay. All 0. Then stop exit. Then try turn off. Wait a second. Then turn on again. And done. All done. All reset. The Inbox poll is reset now. Thank you for watching.